Hey guys, this is the unboxing and review and a little bit mounting of the Takstar SGC-598 recording microphone, which is about 30 bucks, and it's a good option when you're looking for a microphone you want to put on a DSLR for some vlogging or making videos. It's a shotgun type of microphone, so it mainly gets the audio from front of the microphone, so it's not like an all-around microphone. But it's supposed to be a really good choice for 30 bucks if you're looking for something cheap to improve your audio. And this I'm recording with my Nikon D3300 and its microphone, and I'm gonna put a little bit of a example of the Takstar's audio later on. But right now we have to deal with the camera microphone for obvious reasons, since I had to take a video of this. So for 30 bucks it's a pretty good choice compared to Rode or some other big name brand microphones that can cost hundreds of dollars. And this is one of the most popular choices for some quick and cheap microphone when you just want to get into the better audio game. And what's the features in this one? The package says high sensitivity condenser microphone specially designed for camera. Cardioid directivity characteristic can effectively reduce ambient noise. Optional plus 10 decibel sensitivity tone boost and 200 Hz bass attenuation meet the demand of different applications. Standard connector size for easy connection with camera. Shockproof design can reduce the mechanical noise of cameras and other vibration noise. Product aluminium housing features. Something weird there. Features effective EMI resistance, powered by 1.5 volt AA alkaline battery. Playtime is up to 100 hours, and there's a low power indicator. Rest of it in Chinese. There's all kind of stickers here for quality test and authenticity and so on. Scrape the coating and scan the 2T code, or make a free call for anti-fake check. Well, I'm gonna have to do that. Apparently there are some fakes around, so make sure you have that sticker when you buy it. Okay, let's see what's inside. So up front we have the nice pouch carrying case with the Takstar logo. Seems big enough for the microphone accessories. Then we have some manuals, Chinese and English. Product qualified certificate and stamp the name on the Chinese side. And this one, I guess it's some kind of a warranty card, all Chinese. Then we have some styrofoam. And on styrofoam we have the product itself. So here's the microphone. So here's a shotgun microphone. Here is a cable. This is the bass control. This is the plus 10 decibel switch and on and off switch. You can see here you have like the anti-vibration bracket here. So it's actually kind of floating with rubber, and there's a cable with a nice little place to hold the cable as well. Battery compartment is up here for a single battery, and this is the bracket for mounting on a DSLR. Alrighty. Also in the package seems to be more rubbers. You can switch on the brackets. I guess they wear out or something, and also this cable, like an audio splitter for microphone and headphones. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to my cell phone and let's put this bad boy on a DSLR. So now I have attached the microphone to the camera, and it's pointing backwards toward me. I'm behind the camera. You can see there's a green light here showing the power is on. I have switched this is the power button, put it on. I'm not using the decibel increase, but I'm using the bass, whatever it's called, and this is the audio quality. And since I've been moving around, you can see a little bit how it affects when you are pointing at different directions. Okay, so here is my camera and here's the microphone. I'm gonna show you quickly how to attach it. It's really simple, really. So first make sure the tightening ring is all the way up. And you place it on the bracket holder on top of your camera. Now, there you go. Okay, and scroll to the opposite direction you just did. Hard with one hand. And it's tightened and it's really secure there. Then you have the cable coming up, the audio cable, and you have to find the microphone slot in your camera. And for me, the Nikon D3300 is behind this rubber flap. Angle it there in one hand, and there we go. Easiest thing to do with one hand, but there we go, we made it. And since you have a power button here, remember to switch it on before you use it, or you will accidentally record the whole audio clip with your camera's microphone. It's not a disaster, but hey, you bought the microphone for a reason. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. And one thing you will notice here is like, when you first put it in this default position, it's quite back. So if you want to take photos with the viewfinder, your head is gonna bump here. But this is a pretty clever system, and you can change the position to the backward, so you can use the viewfinder as well. And even, I think, all the way to the front, there's a screw place. You can switch it there too. So there's 3 possible slots. That's really clever. Okay, let me correct, there's only 2 possible placements, in the middle or in the back. But it's really clever. For 30 bucks, this seems like a really good buy. Hope you enjoyed the review, and please leave a comment.